Feeling good, everybody. We're just feeling great. What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're talking about the mind. We're talking to you guys how to stay motivated, how to reset your mind, and really how to think correctly to scale your life and scale your business or scale whatever you're trying to do to really keep that great mindset and stay motivated. And that is what we're talking about today. So with that being said, let's roll the intro. Going on, guys? Like I said, we're talking about the mind today, and I really want to get and dig into this, and there's a lot of different resources that you can use to stay motivated and keep yourself going and keep yourself on top. And my number one resource that I use to stay motivated is probably the internet. And that sounds crazy. It's like, the internet, don't you get distracted on there? And it is a very, very distracting place. I'm going to tell you that. But there's a lot of good resources online to help you stay motivated. I'm talking YouTube videos that you can listen to in the background. They even got podcasts nowadays that you can just listen to on Spotify, the podcast app, or whatever type of platform that your favorite podcast is presented on. And that type of stuff is really motivating and keep you motivated and keep you going, and actually can give you a lot of great information and a lot of great knowledge. I know when I'm working, I'm writing down new marketing plans or something like that, I always have a video playing from my favorite YouTuber that's just talking about something. Maybe I'm trying to learn something new, and in the background they're just talking about it. I know I'm not really paying attention, but it's in the background, so I'm always hearing it, and I'm always being lifted up because they're talking to me about maybe their story or their brand and how how it's being successful, and that's really just pumping me up. So the internet is my number one resource, I should say, of really keeping me motivated and just keeping me going. Another great resource is books. Now, this is a crazy story. In high school and even before high school, I think I probably read maybe one or two books. And that is probably counting the required ones that we had to read in high school. I just never read. I just wasn't the reading type of guy because I didn't know what reading could do for you. Because when you're in school, they tell you to read all these imagination books and these fictional books and all these types of different books. But I never really knew that these books were out here with all this information and knowledge in them. And I'm talking about, like, give me a second. I'm talking like books like this. This one's called the 10X Rule, and this book has truly started to change my life. Now, I haven't finished this book completely, but I'm going to tell you right now, the stuff that I've read so far, mind-blowing. And this book has 110% motivated me. And it doesn't matter if my business or my life is 10X. I'm telling you right now, the mindset that this book gave me has 10X my life already. And that is why this book is so powerful. And that's just one book I'm talking about. I have a stack over here, and I'm just like reaching across my desk right now, trying to grab these books. This one right here, The Way of the Wolf by Jordan Belfort. Like The Wolf of Wall Street, the great movie out there that talks about this great story. Read this one. Haven't actually read this one yet. Just got it. About to dig into this one right after I finish the 10X Rule, but I've heard some great things about that book. Another book, Expert Secrets. An amazing book. I 100% recommend this book. I have finished this one. This book truly changed my life and it's pretty much got me to where I am today. And what I'm trying to build is pretty much why is this book. This is a blueprint to exactly what I'm doing. So if you want a great book, go ahead and go check this one out, or check out any of the ones I just talked about. Okay, so talking about the third way that you can really stay motivated and really reset your mind is something a little bit different. I take a lot of different courses online, and I've talked to a lot of different people. I have different mentors that I talk to, and that's a great way to stay motivated and stay, on top. But one way I really want to talk to you about motivating yourself before I talk about this segment here is your inner circle, okay? And how to stay motivated and have the right mindset always in your life is to have the right people around you at all times. And what do I mean by that? I mean, talking about your friends and your family. They're always going to be either talking you down, telling you can't do this, go get a regular job, go to school, go to college, do all this. Or, some people in your friends are going to be lazy and not going to be productive and they'll be like, let's go party, let's go out every night. Those are the people that you do not want in your life. You need to get them out of your life and keep your close people, the people who are going to build you up, stack you up, and make sure that you succeed inside of your life, your inner circle, the people who have the same common interests as you to help build you up. Now, obviously, you're going to want to be with your family. I'm not saying shun your family out. Spend time with your family. Make time in your day to have work and to have play. There's always time for that. And there's just certain times where you just need to have your inner circle with you, so your mindset is always right. So even when you go out, those people around you are always motivating you and keeping you on that level. And even if when you're with your family, they're always motivating you and keep you on your level. So always make that time. Make sure the people inside your circle are always just keeping you up, keeping you on that level. Because if you're talking to somebody that is, your friends are your mentors and the people you're talking to are multimillionaires, and they're telling you, hey, this is what you need to do to succeed, or one of your friends are just like, hey, this is what you need to do to succeed, or just keep going, man. I truly believe in you. I'm going to give you a share every single time you post some. I don't care if you have 1 share, 2 shares, 5 shares. I want to make sure you're seen. Those are the type of people you want inside of your life. All right, guys, the last way that I'm going to talk about is courses. This is the best way that I know of really, staying motivated, keep going. Now, these things do cost a lot of money, or even a mentor. So finding a mentor online that can help teach you to do everything you want online, as well as, buying into courses. That's the way I truly believe that you can, really stay connected, really stay motivated. And, right now, I'm a mentor to some people right now. All you got to do is watch my videos, and I technically could be your mentor. That's it. Watch my videos every single day. I post a video. Just watch it. Maybe you'll get some motivation out of it. Maybe you can stay positive out of it. Maybe you can get one thing out of it. If somebody gets one thing out of this video, if it's only one person that gets one thing out of every single video that I post, I did my job, and that makes me happy, and that truly is what motivates me. So I'm glad that I could help you out get to the goal that you tried to achieve. But a course that really helped me reset my mind, and I know a lot of people have a lot of hard feelings about this guy. His name's Tai Lopez, all right? Some people hate his courses. Some people love his courses. Some people like what he posts online. Some people hate what he posts online. What I can tell you is the information he gave in this course, and that I could just listen to it in the background, I truly do it all the time. It's called the 67 Steps Program. Now, a lot of it is a lot of fluff. It's going to just talk about things. It's just going to talk for 67 steps. But the information in it is really valuable. And if you just want to listen to it while you're in the car, if you just want to listen to it and, you're at home, cleaning, if you're, doing some busy works, listening to the stuff he says in it really helped, really reprogram my brain to think in a different way. And I truly, honestly believe that. And so I want you guys to go check it out. Go to Tai Lopez's website. It's called 67 Steps. It's a great program to help reset your brain, really, and really think in a different way. It's just a good thing to listen to in the background. That's my recommendation, as well as maybe just find a mentor online. If it's not me, there's tons of different people out there that, do motivational speaking, talk about different things, and really can step you up in your game. I really promise that. So find a mentor, find a course, read a book, guys, listen to a podcast, watch YouTube videos, pretty much do it all, guys. Stay motivated, stay positive, and I hope this video gave you some good type of information, guys. I really do hope that. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Make sure, as always, smack that like button. Whoa. As always, smack that like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell, because more content is coming soon, guys. My name is Mike, and I'll see you guys very soon.